Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Benz Patent-Motorwagen 1886. Now, I'm basically on the home stretch now. I've got a few details that still need to be added, like the wheels, the chain drive. I still need to do some paint work on the steering handle and some other minor components, but basically it's in pretty good shape right now. So taking a look at where I am at this point. Uh, Tried something new with wood grain. I did a dark base acrylic brown and then coated it with Tamiya clear orange to get that linseed oil effect. Like the way that looks. I'm going to have to remember that in the future. Going around to the engine here. Finally got all of this together. I went with the scratch build your own belt option from the kit, and I made that from a little piece of 1/8 inch craft ribbon. That does go around the bottom pulley and twist like it's supposed to. And it actually wasn't too hard to put on. I was dreading that part of the build, and it actually went together okay. Got the box here done in a slightly darker tint than the footboard here. You can kind of see the difference between them. I don't know if that was 100% accurate to the full-sized car originally or not, but the restoration seems to show a difference between them, so I wanted to kind of capture that a little bit. And yeah, overall, I am happy with it, as I have been with other ICM kits in the past. Just overall thoughts on the kit now that I'm this far along are pretty much as I expected going into it. It's very nicely detailed, a bit over-engineered in places. Um, there are a few build sequences I probably would have done a little bit differently if I had to do this kit over again. Things like I probably would have put the belt on a little bit earlier in the build, knowing that it really wasn't the headache I was expecting it to be. Uh, the crank on the left side of the engine really needs to be done in the order as described in the instructions. I thought I was being clever by assembling the stuff around it and then putting the crank on, and everything was getting in my way. So that's one place. Follow the directions. They actually did do a good order of operations on that particular thing. Other than that, no, it's gone together well. Generally very happy with the work ICM did, but I am going to be switching it up to something a little more familiar for my next build. So I'm going to get this finished up, check back next week for the build finale on that, and then I will be following it up with this project. So check back for those, and thanks for watching.